Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be doing a new sound, J. The letter for this sound is J and the sound it makes is J. So let's see some of the words that begin with this sound. J is for joker. J, joker. J is for juice. J, juice. J is for jar. J, jar. J is for jacket. J, jacket. J is for jet. J, jet. J is for jug. J, jug. J is for jellyfish. J, jellyfish. J is for jam. J, jam. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound J and the letter is J. Let's go through them once again. J is for joker. J, joker. Joker. J is for juice. J, juice. Juice. J is for jar. J, jar. Jar. J is for jacket. J, jacket. Jacket. J is for jet. J, jet. Jet. J is for jug. J, jug. Jug. J is for jellyfish. J, jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jam. J, jam. Jam. Now children, turn to picture book page number 11. J is for joker. J, joker. J, juice. J, jar. J, jacket. Please go through them once again. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.